Hello everyone, and welcome back. I just got back here to Minnesota a couple days ago, and I have this chuck roast right here. I've got the bullet smoker outside heating up, and I'm going to do this roast for about 8 hours today and see how this turns out. I'm going to go ahead and cover this with mustard and brown sugar and some spices. And since I left my tripod down in Louisiana, you're going to get kind of a different video this time. I would say that that is ready to go onto the smoker. I got my little bullet smoker here. It's kind of tucked into the snow. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but if I have to, I'll wrap it in a... I sometimes put a sleeping bag over it to keep it warm. Alright, well it's in there. I'm using Applewood as the smoke today. It should be pretty good when it gets done. Well, it's been in there smoking now for about 4 hours. I just added some more apple chips to it. Smells pretty good. Well, it's been in here for about 9.5 hours. About an hour and a half ago I come here and I wrapped it in foil. I don't know, it got a lot smaller. I was worried it was going to turn out like jerky. I'll bring this inside, let it rest for a little bit, and see what we ended up with. Okay everyone, well let's see how this turned out. It definitely shrunk. It is kind of falling apart. I've only done pork for long periods of time like that, so, but yeah, look at that. It just pulls apart, wow. I just can't believe how that happens. You can put something in for that long and it's still moist and just falls apart. I don't think the whole time, and I was down there for 3 weeks in Louisiana, I don't think I had a baked potato the whole time. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to pour myself a glass of milk, and it's time for dinner. I'll see you guys on the next video.